Let's kick things off. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. It's your gateway to website editing. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you can access all your domains and websites. Click on the website you wish to edit. This opens up a world of customization. Explore the site builder. Here, you can modify text, images, and layout easily. Adjust the design elements to match your brand. Colors and fonts make a big difference. Finally, don't forget to preview your changes before hitting publish. It's all in the details. Click publish to make your updates live. Your website is your canvas. Check your live site to ensure everything looks perfect. First impressions matter. Don't hesitate to make ongoing adjustments. Your website evolves with your business. Remember, GoDaddy offers support if you need help along the way. And that's a wrap. Follow these steps to enhance your online presence effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Happy editing with GoDaddy.